Hey guys, it's Kristen from A Mindful Mom, and today I'm going to show you how to make Instant Pot steel cut oats. If you're new here, I'm Kristen from A Mindful Mom, and I love to share with you easy recipes your family will love, and I love my Instant Pot. And today I'm going to share with you an easy staple recipe for Instant Pot steel cut oats. It takes a really long time to make perfectly creamy, tender, steel cut oats on the stove, but in the Instant Pot, you can have them in minutes. This recipe is so simple. It's perfect for busy mornings. I actually love to prep this on the weekends and then just heat up for the mornings for the week. It makes breakfast super simple. And you can flavor this up however you like. So I'm going to show you a base recipe here and then let your imagination go wild. You can add chocolate chips, you can add apples, walnuts, cinnamon, maple, syrup, brown sugar, whatever. The options are limitless. But let me walk you through how to make this basic recipe. The first thing you need is a pan. We're gonna use a pot-in-pot cooking method for the steel cut oats because if not, the steel cut oats can stick to the bottom of your Instant Pot because I am adding some dairy. Now, I really like these stainless steel pots to use cooking in my Instant Pot, and I'll link to that below. Some people use glass Pyrex dishes, oven-safe dishes in their Instant Pot, and that's how I originally started making this recipe. But since then, Pyrex has come out and said that Pyrex dishes are not safe for your Instant Pot. So use a stainless steel bowl. To that stainless steel bowl, we're going to add in 1 cup of steel cut oats, 1/4 cup of ground flaxseed. Flaxseed is totally optional. It just adds some healthy fats, some omega-3 fatty acids, but again, you can leave that out by all means. I'm gonna add in a pinch of salt. Now I'm going to add in the liquid. I'm using a 3-to-1 ratio for my steel cut oats. 1 cup water and 2 cups of dairy of your choice. You can use regular milk, you can use almond milk, you can use coconut milk, you can use soy milk, you can even use a full 3 cups of water and omit the milk, which is great if you happen to not have milk on hand but still want a hearty, healthy breakfast. Give that a good mix. And now I'm gonna pour in 1 cup of cold water or tap water to my inner pot. Remember not to use hot water. It will change the cook time drastically. So you always wanna use cold water or tap water. And if you're using an 8-quart Instant Pot, use 1.5 cups of water. I'm using a 6-quart today, so I only need 1 cup of water. Put in your inner rack. And then we're gonna put in our bowl right on top of our rack. Place our lid on our Instant Pot. Make sure our vent knob is pointed to sealed, not venting. And then we're gonna set cook time. Now, this recipe is for 6 minutes if you're not using pot-in-pot. So if you're just using 3 cups of water to 1 cup of oats right in your inner pot, you're gonna cook this for 6 minutes on high pressure. I found that when using the pot-in-pot method, 8 minutes is best for really creamy, tender oats. To set cook time, you're gonna hit manual or pressure cook and use the plus or minus buttons to adjust until it reads 8. It'll take a few minutes for your Instant Pot to come to pressure, and then cook time will start. Once cook time has elapsed, let pressure release naturally for 10 minutes. And then you can do a quick release of any remaining pressure. Open up your Instant Pot. Carefully remove your inner pot. Give everything a good stir to just combine. And then you can dish this out, and like I said, you can top it with honey and some chopped nuts. You could top it with chocolate chips, you could top it with sprinkles, you could add in some maple syrup and brown sugar, you could add in applesauce, you could add sliced banana and peanut butter. That's one of my favorite combos. Today I'm drizzling it with some honey and some chopped nuts. I'm gonna dig in and give this a try. The oats are so creamy. They're perfectly tender. I really didn't need to add any seasonings, but that's me. Like I said, you can season this up however you want. But it's a great way to enjoy a steel-cut oats hands off in less than 30 minutes. That accounts for the time it takes you to mix it up, put it in your Instant Pot to come to pressure, cook time to elapse, and pressure to release naturally for 10 minutes. It is a great thing to do, prep, jump in the shower, and a warm breakfast is waiting for you and your family. I hope you guys give this a try. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what your favorite oatmeal combination is, and I'll catch you in the next Instant Pot breakfast video. You're not gonna wanna miss how to make my Instant Pot breakfast casserole. See you there.